It was too much money. ExxonMobil, United States, all these countries were already set up to put rigs off of the coast of Gaza and start pulling that oil up and bringing that gas up. And here's why else it was so important to them. Because if the Israelis get the power to draw their own oil and natural gas, what won't they need? They won't need the Arabs anymore. They won't have to buy oil from Egypt no more. They won't have to rely on anybody no more. They won't even have to kiss the United States ass. They'll have enough oil and gas to rule their own nation, take over whoever they want. And nobody expected that until 1978. They gave them bombs before 78, thinking they was going to need them bombs just as a deterrent for all the Arab nations around them. They slept on the fact that if they were to find some oil, they won't need the United States anymore. So the United States is chumming up to them real good now. That's why you see they didn't stop them. They stopped them for Thanksgiving, though. They made sure the turkey was good. Wait till next week. Wait till next week. The bombing about to start again. Okay? So they found that natural gas in there, right? And they knew they had to get rid of the Palestinians. And they came up with another plan. They said, what if we cut a canal through Gaza? And with that canal, we will now compete against the Suez Canal. And they said, well, what do we got to do? Well, they said, the first thing you got to do is you got to clear the land. You got to get rid of the Palestinians. So now they got two major reasons, really three major reasons to get rid of the Palestinians. Why is this happening? The Lord is bringing them to the Third World War. He's bringing them. He's dragging them, like he said in Joel, the 3rd chapter. He's dragging them to plead with them to come down into this valley because he's going to wipe them out. So now the plan started for them to go ahead and start bringing in the Third World War. You got Revelation 11 for me? Somebody, whoever got it.
Revelation chapter 11, verse 7.
Is it 7, Q? Go ahead, read it out. I think I'm looking for 14. I'm not going to read the whole thing. Just give me the 14th verse if you could.
Come on. Revelation chapter 11, verse 14. The second